This butterfly, it is gorgeous. Oh, there goes the tea whistle. Just landed. I wanted to get some video for you. Put it in my shadow. There she is. She is gorgeous. She is gorgeous. Oh, there's a dragonfly landing behind her. Gorgeous, aren't you? Look at you. You are gorgeous, yes. I love the yellow and brown. Let's see if I can't get around to the other side here. Yeah, she's a good girl. Oh, scared her. She's gonna come right back in the window. Scared that much. She lands, nobody knows. She's gonna come right over to me. Oh, she's fast. She is so fast. There she is. Oh, it's okay, baby. Settle down. You're good. There she comes. There she is. She's gorgeous. Oh, yeah. Okay, baby. Can't get her to land there. Nice. Look at her. She is just gorgeous. Totally gorgeous. Look at that. Look at the colors. Yellow and brown. They're so vivid. So vivid on the top of the wings. And understated on the bottoms. Just a beautiful girl. Yes, she is. Well, let's move on with our day. She's